Did you know you can remove the background from any photo in just seconds, absolutely free? Stay with me and I'll show you the easiest method right on your phone. First, head over to the Play Store or App Store and download the Remove.bg app. It's lightweight, free, and works like magic. Once installed, open the app and upload the photo you want to edit. In just one click, the background is gone. No extra effort required. But wait, there's more. You can fine-tune the edges, replace the background with a custom one, or leave it transparent for creative use. When you're happy with the result, save it to your phone with a single tap. That's how easy it is. No complicated tools or skills needed. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment about your experience, and subscribe to Droid Hunter for more game-changing tips like this.